Sorry about that. My internet connection went down for some reason, but it's back. So yeah, like I was saying before, let's get to work on the spin attack. I think I need to actually, I think I need to add the animations to this dude. So I don't think they get assigned to this. Let's quickly load those in. Import mesh tag. Spin charge. Hold. See how it looks. This should be loop. Okay, animations are loaded in. Let's add them to the tree. So this one, I don't think I need to make separate ones for the tactical knife because it's kind of a more generic one. It doesn't activate like the damage colliders on the on it, so I can just use a generic one. Okay. Chart spin back charge up. Oh, this is a neat name. Spin attack charge up. Spin attack hold. And this should be a blend 2, I think. Spin back hold. Oh, attach. Oh. And spin attack. Spin attack. Shuffle. Oops. Get all connected. Turn it on. and then that gets followed up with oh, where is it? This. Okay, let's make these accessible through the script. Spin attack. There we go. Need to make sure I can actually see the names while I'm typing them in. Spin attack. Oh. Shard spin attack. Should this be yeah, I'll make it a float. Shuffling. Every day I'm shuffling. Don't copy strike me, YouTube, please. Slash. Oh, and I think for this, I should make sure to make these false. Spin attack. Hold. Blend. And out. 0. Set. There's spin attack. Triple. Blend. Out. 0. Yeah, making sure that when you release the spin attack, these are off. Probably a good idea. Oh, it actually might be a good idea to move these behind the behind the spin attack animation on the stack. So yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. Disconnect. Just down. Reconnect this. And let's do that. Okay, that should work better. So this way, if I like somehow make a mistake with like the animation timing, the spin attack itself or any other attack should override whatever shows up here, which is what I want. It's not supposed to happen, but it's like just in case, basically. Back. Charge. With. Go. parameters bin tag hold blend not one and set parameters bin tag triple shuffling. Why does it want me to write? Why does it want me to write shuffling twice? Silly VS Code. Trying to make you write something twice. What's going on here? What's going on here? Oh. Almost forgot. Blend. Not. Yeah, I guess it's a good idea to use a float. Allows me to fade it in and out. Oh, you know what? I should you know what this means? It means that I have to add like the hold and shuffling behavior to the spin attack state, because I'd rather not implement that into normal. Because even though you can move around, even though I'm allowing the player to like move around, it's different from like the normal movement. I mean, it's probably gonna be a lot the same, but the behavior, you move like a lot slower when you're charging it up. The idea is that you're kind of shuffling into position. All right, let's get started on that thing. Well, actually, I want to. No, let's get quick spin working first. So you just twirl. So where you twirl the stick and then you press the attack, and then he does the spin, then he stops, and there's no like hold or charge animations. Let's do that. I'm gonna use this at some point soon. Attack button is being held, but not right now. Not right now. Wait a minute. Just released, and then else. Clear dot mode dot oh movement input handler dot get what hmm. uh Well, I can't make this static, I don't think. Yeah, I can't. It's not an option. It's just not an option. Or maybe I can. Maybe I can. I have to. I have to make it so that an instance of this can be accessed statically, which is not difficult to do. But I have to put a little bit of work into that. Private. Oh, yeah, it needs to be static. There we go. And now I'll make this static. And I just gotta do like that. And I can go so I watched season 1 of Smiling Friends. I thought it was pretty good. Oh, oh. It's a pretty interesting show. I like it a lot more than most. I watched a few adult comedies, like not very many of them, but like a few of them. And most of the new ones are kind of bad. Like they don't know how to be funny. Like they think that edgy equals funny. I mean, it's kind of is in a way, but it's like lowbrow, bottom of the barrel humor. And it's like you don't really have to think about it very hard. Just like, oh, he said funny. He said poop. He said shit. Ho 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 ho. It's funny. He said because he said the naughty word. Or oh, that character is doing drugs. Ho ho ho. It is a Oh, I forgot I wasn't sure I was gonna finish that sentence. It is a funny depiction of a person with with an addiction. And that is funny. Ho ho. Okay. Alright. Well, something happened. Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can just do a normal attack. Because I'm like 90% sure that it like froze because it entered the spin attack state, but it like broke. I just want to make sure that's what actually happened. Yep. Entering the spin attack state triggered the character to freeze. Well, it's not exactly what I want to happen. It's indicative that this is working. This part here. And it's not fully what I want, but it's a start. And that's what's important. The important thing is that we're making progress. A little bit every day, preferably. That is why you also, and it's also why you back up. Last thing you want to do. That's why you like have a. That's why you make backups. And have version control. Last thing you want is to lose everything, and everything goes down the toilet. Dang. Okay, so now we figure out why it's not working, I guess. Hmm? Well, I'm just gonna check on something on my phone. All right. Nothing important happened. Errors. Just something's not working right. Excuse me. Let's see if we see this in the chat, or not in the chat. Why did I say chat? In the console, or the output. Also, let me know if like the text is like too small. I think I'm zoomed in on this screen. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm mistaken because at some point I had zoomed it out to make it smaller. Then I zoomed it back in at some point. Oh, wait. Need to make the console visible. Ooh. That's not good. So I did not see this happening. This did not show up. What does that mean? Hmm. Let me guess. I need to add something here. Because this set state function is broken apparently. I don't feel like fixing it right now, so I'll just put like a zeroed momentum vector. This is like a so this set state allows me to transfer momentum over from like one player state to another, like just in case I want the like if I'm jumping forward and I transition from normal state to airborne, I want to carry over the movement that the player is already having. Okay, that's not what's going on here. A little confused as to why this isn't working. Not gonna lie. This is red dot. Is it? Oh, it means I'm streaming. Of course. What else could it possibly mean? Okay. Okay. That just begs the question as to why Nothing else is happening. What could this possibly mean? Oh, is it because I commented this out? That wouldn't surprise me. Okay, it is. All right, that's a good sign. Progress. Progress is happening. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. It is a so what's going on there is it's entering the spin state and then it's waiting like a second and then it's exiting. That is a good sign. That means that the player is like spinning and then going back to normal. That is good. Oh, but apparently it should be doing the spin attack animation, but it's not. What's going on here? What's going on here? Oh, I'm running the wrong scene. Tactical knife spin attack. Active true. Tactical. Oh. Okay, that should solve the problem. Okay. Okay. All right. Give this a shot. Okay. Okay. All right, I'm gonna try something. Noticed a little issue with the player character. Uh-oh. Knife is in the wrong spot again. Something's going on here. And I don't like it. Oh, they're damaging each other. It's not intended. I think the sound effect's a little bit too loud. Okay. So it kind of works. I think something's a little, I think something's missing though. So in Legend of Zelda, when you do a spin attack, there's like an energy field that appears around you that does damage. That kind of does damage to like enemies when you attack them. When you do the spin attack, it's kind of like it's there in addition to the collider that's on the sword. Actually, in Legend of Zelda: Ocarina of Time, and Majora's Mask, what you'll notice is that if you use the Lens of Truth while while you do a spin attack, the magic energy field that appears doesn't actually appear. So the only collider that's active during the spin attack is the one on the sword. So it's like harder to do, or it's harder to hit enemies with it. So I'm wondering, should I leave it the way it is right now, or should I find a way to make it easy, or should I make it easier to hit enemies with the spin attack? I'm gonna do this again, but with the controllers, with so it's like easier to do. Because I found that it's really hard to do with the keyboard. To be fair. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh, never mind. I thought my controller was like broken or like something, but it just wasn't turned on. Hmm. I still can't get over the friendly fire. I just think it's so funny. Stop hitting each other. That is way too loud. There goes one. So it technically works, it's just hard to hit stuff. Maybe I'll make it so that there's like another damage collider that's like just covers the whole player that only activates during spin attacks. Yeah, I think I'll do that. That makes a lot. I don't. It technically doesn't make sense, but I think it'll work. I think it'll work just fine. Area. Spin attack. Divider. Make sure it's on the right layer. I could probably just have it on the mask, but I'm gonna do both these just in case. Shape. Let's do a sphere. That's probably good. Yeah, I think that's actually perfect. No, so that's gonna be overpowered. Just spin attack and everything in the vicinity is like dead. And I have to actually attach a thing to it. I'm wondering how I should approach. So I know I was laughing at the two plants attacking each other, right? Getting hit by each other's attacks, but I actually don't want that to happen. I want them to pass through each other. So I'm thinking I need to implement some sort of friendly fire system or anti-friendly fire system. Groups, enemies. Hmm. I could just have like a teams system where if it's like that might be overkill though, because I don't intend on there being like NPC battles. I just need to find a way to make it so that enemies don't get hit by each other's attacks. I could just use a separate layer for... No, no. You know what? I'm just gonna take a cheap and easy approach to this. Well, I'm gonna do like a is player or whatever. If is player equals false, like don't do it or whatever. Or is enemy. Or is enemy equals is enemy. I'm trying to think this through. I think I have a decent solution to this. Actually, let's put it on here. No, 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 no. You know what? I'm doing the teams thing. Question is, where should I put it? Where shall I put the team, or like the ally enemy distinction thing? Trying to think of a good spot to put the script. Maybe here. Your script. Oh, now what should I call the script? Hmm. I'm just gonna call it team system. I'm just a regular node. For this, have one static thing. Team matrix. Oh. Cool. Team matrix equals Team, friend, foe, player. Oh, that's why. Uh, team attack. Is that how you do an array? Arrays? I completely forgot how you do this. You know what? I'm gonna consult Google. Oh, I was doing I was doing it wrong. I was doing a an array of array and not a 2D array. Yeah, so a 2D array would be better for this than that other kind, I think. Okay. So I need 3 rows and 3 columns. I'm gonna start off with false, 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 and false, false, false. Okay. Public. Actually, I don't think this needs to be a team or a node at all. Just needs to be a static set of functions that's accessible anywhere. Uh, and attack. Oh, and my PHP design patterns have or language patterns have shown, because I wrote the word function, but I don't think C# uses the word function at any point. And attack. And then team print team target. Turn team attack matrix current target. Oh, no. Oh, no, that doesn't finish anything. Maybe it does. Dot. I need to get the integer value from this. C# num to int. Oh, just cast it. Okay. Like team. Okay. So, can the player attack the player? No. Can the player attack a friend? No. Can the player attack a foe? Yes. Can the friend attack the player? No. Can the friend attack a friend? No. Can the friend attack a foe? Yes. Can the foe attack a player? Yes. Can the foe attack a friend? Yes. Can the foe attack a foe? No. Okay. Well, I think my time is up for today. Uh, I'll continue implementing this tomorrow probably, unless something comes up. But yeah, um, so I don't know if this is the best approach or not, but my approach is the idea that every time like a damage collider touches a body collider, both the systems will compare which team they're on, and then if they're on a team that can attack the other team, which really checked with this method, which uses this matrix, then yeah, the attack will follow through. So what this also means is that I don't have to check if the hold on, where is it? Yeah, I don't have to check to see if the health collider is the same as the current one, because this will make that check redundant. So I could actually probably do this, and instead I can do team system dot and attack after DMG player dot system dot team to DMG collider, or hold on, it's the damage collider that's the I guess technically it's not, but I'm trying to approach it that way. So DMG collider dot master health dot team to health system dot team. Oh, and of course I have to check with if the instance is valid. If this is false, return. So if the damage collider can't hurt me, so assuming that this body collider is me, if the damage collider that touched me is on a team that is not on a team that can attack me, then return. I think that makes sense. Okay, I think I'm gonna quit now. See you tomorrow, hopefully. Have a good night. Goodbye.